Let's make some sherbet. You may also know it as sherbet soda, sherbet powder, Wizz Fizz or Cali. You'll need 6 tablespoons of soft icing sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of bicarbonate soda, half a teaspoon of citric acid, half a teaspoon of tartaric acid, sift. In 3 bowls, evenly portion the sifted powders. Add 5 grams of mango jelly crystals to 1 portion. The second bowl, add 5 grams of raspberry jelly crystals. In the last bowl, place 5 grams of blueberry jelly crystals. Stir each bowl to combine. Sherbet is perfect for a treat or a party favour. Subscribe, like and comment below.